Just like we all go through mood swings, it's safe to say Safemoon is too, because so much has been happening with it that we aren't able to keep with. People are talking about some price tokens, and not just a few. We're talking about trillion here, guys. 1 trillion Safemoon tokens from John Karony. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Crypto Pump video. Today's video is for you, Safemoon Army, and you need to know all about these trillion tokens. Well, how do we get it? Let's talk about that and look at Safemoon and all it has for us in the future. Let's get started. If you're new to cryptocurrency or live under a rock and don't know what Safemoon is, don't worry, we've got you. Safemoon, a cryptocurrency that launched in March but has recently gained traction due to a pitch that it will prevent the unpredictable price volatility that has been synonymous with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more recently, Dogecoin. According to the currency's founders, 2 million Safemoon tokens have been purchased so far for this year. Although it is just worth a fraction of a cent, $0.00007, its value has increased by 202% in the last month, as the value of cryptocurrencies as a whole has risen. The CEO of Safemoon, John Karony, basically showed hints and said that he is going to give 1 trillion free Safemoon tokens. You need it, right? We all do. But there's something way more important, and that's the V2 updates that can affect Safemoon a lot. The upgrade brings 3 major changes. An improved contract that will include a 1000:1 consolidation, resulting in a reduction in supply and circulation by a factor of 1000 without affecting the aggregate user balances, will be implemented. Safemoon's improved quality, security, and accessibility pave the way for a slew of new features in the future. Mind that Safemoon remains an exceedingly volatile financial gamble. After rising to a pinnacle of $0.00001399 earlier this year, following high-profile endorsements from the likes of rapper Lil Yachty, YouTuber Jake Paul, and prominent sports blogger Dave Portnoy, the coin is currently trading around 87% below that level. In fact, Portnoy had played a key role in raising hype with a $40,000 personal investment in Safemoon, only to see the coin plummet back in May. Nonetheless, many investors consider Safemoon V2 as the key to unlocking fresh all-time highs. In preparation of this upgrade, the number of unique addresses that hold assets in the network underwent a tremendous explosion, expanding over 15% in the past month to now 14,610. The coin is now the 217th largest cryptocurrency by market size, with a valuation of just a little over $1.7 billion. Analysts expect Safemoon price rally to $0.000500 in the ongoing bull run. This year's Safemoon V2 upgrade is being hailed as a golden opportunity to elevate the cryptocurrency to the top of the token rankings. The upgrade is anticipated to bring in new users to the Safemoon ecosystem, which will in turn drive the token's price up even further. Following the announcement of the impending V2 update and the AIBC reward, the token has gained roughly 6.9% in value. Safemoon is currently trading at $0.0000031 with a 24-hour trade volume of more than $10.7 million. Safemoon's market capitalization has surpassed $1.9 billion, and analysts anticipate that the token's price will rise by 17% in the future. Based on the current price trend, cryptocurrency researcher Bob Mason predicts that the token will reach $0.0000400 in the near future. During the current bull run, Mason has projected a trend reversal in the price of Safemoon, as well as a 17% price gain. Users were recently informed that the contract for the V2 upgrade was complete and that the project had progressed to the quality assurance stage, according to a recent update from the Safemoon team. In the past, the project has been renowned for missing launch deadlines for its software, and there is doubt around the planned V2 upgrade. In his keynote talk at the AIBC Summit, John Karony, CEO of Safemoon, spoke about the dread and uncertainty that people are experiencing. In the case of Safemoon, the upgrade would result in a 1000:1 consolidation akin to a reverse stock split, as well as an increase in the token's security and accessibility. Safemoon app downloads have surpassed 1 million before of the announcement of the V2 launch, and 700,000 new token holders have joined the Safemoon community. Safemoon V2, a completely redesigned version of the cryptocurrency, went online on Sunday. A a new contract will be implemented as part of the upgrade, resulting in a 1000 to ratio 1 consolidation of the supply in circulation and a reduction of the supply in circulation by a factor of 1000 without affecting overall user balances. The number of unique wallet addresses that already have Safemoon V2 is 115,769 at the time of writing, with this number projected to grow as the general user migration proceeds. Having reached this point, we can now get down to business. Safemoon CEO John Karony, who goes by the Twitter handle CPTHODL, had a Q&A session with the Safemoon community on the 12th of December. However, a brief piece of the chat caught our interest, even though the majority of the debate was about V2 migration. Clearly, Safemoon's CEO used a handful of buzzwords to describe a number of projects that fall under the purview of the Area 32 effort, as evidenced by the video below. In order to smooth the passage of wind across turbine blades while assuring minimal friction and erosion, Karony's dedicated team is reportedly investigating the use of nanoparticles in the process, according to reports. This endeavor has been likened by some to a big lube for wind turbines, if you'll excuse the vulgar metaphor. An even wilder endeavor, on the other hand, is the development of a telecommunications network based on the World Wide Web 3. To refresh your memory, Web 3 refers to internet apps that are built on the blockchain. We're not sure what Karony is referring to when he talks of a Web 3 based network, to be honest. Is he attempting to host user-generated messages on a distributed ledger? It came as no surprise when the CEO of Safemoon refused to provide any important information about these apparently world-changing advances. Let's have a look at some forecasts for the future, shall we? Safemoon trading will continue to grow throughout the world, and with its ups and downs, it's safe to say that it will reach the $1 mark before year's end by 2030. GOV Capital and the Global Coverage predict that the currency price will trade around $0.0000425 by the end of 2021 and $0.0002553 by 2025, and that Safemoon trading will continue to grow throughout the world. If all financial services and market outlets switch to using this money by 2021, this digital asset is primed to break down all barriers and flourish wildly, reaching the previously specified pinnacle. If it manages to surpass all of its restrictions throughout the next year, it will surely herald good fortune for those who put their money into it. Because of the strength of Safemoon's smart contracts, the cryptocurrency's price might easily reach $0.0000085 by the end of 2021. Safemoon is preparing to reassert its position as a significant draw among members of its investment community in 2022, according to the company. As long as investor confidence remains high, the road ahead is straightforward and pedals, and it will culminate in a big price increase that will drive the price beyond all bounds, scaling to $0.000011. Safemoon has generated an average monthly profit of approximately $120,000 since its launch. If it continues to increase at its current rate, it might reach $1 by 2021. It will take 2 years for the altcoin to reach that price level, which will occur in 2023 if it increases at a pace of 100% every month for the next 2 years. Safemoon has proven to be a profitable investment for its early investors, who have received lifetime returns of 350,000%. This cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of $0.00001399 in April, but it has since plunged more than 70% from that peak, giving a good purchasing opportunity. The realization of Safemoon's development goals, such as the establishment of a Safemoon exchange and the development of video game enterprises, may result in the attraction of additional investors and a rise in the price of the cryptocurrency. The fact that the altcoin has been listed on well-known sites such as Coinbase may be beneficial in terms of gaining popularity. There is no such thing as a risk-free investment, on the other hand. Because Safemoon is a new cryptocurrency, it is important to proceed with caution when dealing with it. Finally, this is an educational video that does not contain any financial advice. Please use caution when investing. Please leave your views in the comments if you like the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch.